everybody. My name is Rachel Higgins, and I would like to share a toast to Crystal and Robin's 2-year wedding anniversary. They couldn't be here in North Carolina right now. They're actually stationed in Alaska, but we can still celebrate them. I've known Crystal for almost 12 years now. Me and her started being best friends in high school. And I've known Robin for almost 6 years. I met him in middle school. Crystal and I have been through so much together. We have so many happy memories together. I remember Crystal having the biggest crush on Robin. I didn't want to tell him at all. And then finally, her senior year of high school, she finally told him, and that ended up being history for them. They started dating, and then about a year after high school, Robin went into the Coast Guard and got stationed in Alaska. And nothing got in between their love, and he called her on the phone one day and asked her if she would marry him. 6 months after that, we planned a wedding, and he came home and he got married. And I just am so grateful to be a part of their friendship and their love. And I just want to wish them many more years of happiness and love. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Who's hungry?